Okay, well, the camera just shut off when I was walking this piece of rubbish that may need to be kept over there. So kick it right there next to that brick. And anyway, now check the time here. Since the phone ticked off, this is the next recording. Okay, there it is. Okay, now this is part 2. Picking up trash around the bipedal humanoid creature's lair, or Wachuge Wendigo skinwalker's lair. And as well, like I just was filming before the phone ticked off into a new recording, just filmed a huge piece of poop. Okay, now that poop has to be the size of a 6-inch sub. Put the phone down for a second. Fix my belt if you're wondering what I'm doing. After I put that rock in my pocket, belt started getting loose. Take a drink of my Gatorade. Okay. Wants me to go down and pick that up. This time I'm gonna set the phone there to film me doing it. There's stuff down in there. To be honest, this looks like it got gnawed into. Right there. Whoa, so it's real brittle. I didn't expect it to shard like that. Try my best to pick it all up. What's that? No way. It's like an egg. Hold on. What is that? I have no idea what that is. Anyway, I'll pick up the shards here. There. I don't know what the hell that is. That's a huge poop though. Bipedal humanoid creature. And bipedalism, if you don't know what that title means, that means walking on 2 legs. That is a huge piece of poop. Now, do have to pick up that liquor bottle that's over here too. Someone was drinking. That's that piece of poop that I just filmed on the part 1 video. This is part 2 video. That is a huge piece of poop. This is metal. Like a pie tin or something. If you don't know what a pie tin is, it's obviously something where a pie goes and gets baked in the oven. Looking for trash that way. Can't really see it, so there ain't none there. Go this way. This is all mush, but I have no choice but to walk here. That is huge pieces of poop. Right there and there. Bipedal humanoid creature poop. Bread bag. You gotta be kidding me. Alright. Now, what we got here? No! Don't follow that over. Gross, disgusting bottle. It almost fell. Don't want to re-pick it up. Alright. Successfully didn't drop any of it. Okay, here we go. What's this? Something shiny. Gross. It's Taki bag. Love those things. Fuego is my favorite. See if I can grab this. Oh, bottom of a paper cup. What's that? Something look like to drink out of, but it's trash now. Something for them. Beasts. Oh, what's going on here? It dug that out. It wondered what was under there. Started digging. Combos. There we go. That's a well good snack. Look at this. This is like a piece of a fan or something. Throw that in there. I ain't touching that. That's disgusting. Huge cloth thing. I'll pick up that red thing though. What do we got here? Hey, saved at Menards. And look at, this is a Menards bag too. Shout out to Menards. Something back there. Oh my God. It was stepping right here and it just pooped. And that is a huge poop. Recent too. So really whatever is out here, it just is like sneaky as hell, obviously. And then does as it pleases. Obviously. Here, try to wipe this mud off. Won't be able to all the way, but start is what counts. Try to keep it clean. It's enough right there. Pick up this though. We got here premium grade deer hide dog bites. So whatever it is, took that food that was somehow in somebody's shed or something and ate dog food. This is my guess. Look at this tree right here. I think that warped, made that way. And then there's stuff right over here, as if it's put there. Very interesting. Try not to step in no poop. Okay, that's rather clean over there, but where we're going now is up there. What's that? Is that an egg? It is an egg. Big egg. Up here is where the liquor bottle is. Someone was having a hoot right here, drinking on this log. New Amsterdam. Orderly. Get crunk, get crunk. What's going on right here? Oh my God, it's stuck there. No way. There it is. It was stuck there. What's that? It's like one of them things in kindergarten. You sit on, carry that thing around. That's your thing you sit on and listen to the teacher tell you what to do. The beast may need that. Take it or throw it. See if they come and get it. May or may not be took. Whoa, almost dropped everything. There we go. Okay, let's leave it right here for a second. Walk up here. Throw some trash down towards it. I'm gonna walk around and risk that thing falling or tearing or something. There's another bottle. Candy cane Smirnoff. Peppermint. And here's, what's this? Black cherry. Energy drink. And this, yep, peppermint twist. A little bit in there too. Need a drink? Okay. Oh my God, no way. The beast possibly was drinking it. That's a huge poop right there. And it's almost like it built this little spot for it to kind of layer it under. Hypothetically. And anyway. Twisted tea. They'd be drinking down here. I'll pick all that up in a second. Another piece over here. Booze bottle. No, there's Pepsi can. Loving that Pepsi out here. There's a huge tree. Circumference must be almost 15 feet. And anyway, you don't know what that word means. It means around the whole tree. Here's an old Pepsi can. I told you they'd be loving that stuff right here. So I don't know, hypothetically, is it a human that turns into a beast? Is it a interdimensional beast that has a morphing outfit on where it can press a button on its suit and like Terminate, or not Terminate, like Predator from the Predator movies? Or what is it? Is it just a being that has powers like we saw over there when it morphs that log into the fence. I mean, I honestly don't know anymore. Hold on. What's really going on right here? Bunch of shit right here. Oh, I just pointed that out. Don't really know what to say about it. But this bag has to weigh almost 30 pounds. Can't really put too much more in it. Those 2 liquor bottles had to weigh about 5 pounds together. So that just upped the ante on the weight distribution inside this bag. What could be toted. So can't really put metal pieces in there since that's metal over there. This may be it. Walk us over to the dumpster. I saw something. Oh, there it is. Can. This is a big mouth can too. Beer can. Miller Lite. It's Miller time. Not really much of that trash though. I mean, it's rather clean. Oh, this is muggy. Mucky too. Muddy muck. It's heavy too, this bag. Not joking. It may be 40 pounds. It's rather full. That's a brick, piece of a brick. Oh, we'll take it out to the dumpster now. Did a pretty good deed today. Said I was gonna do this and I did it. I'm not joking, this is heavy. Not like heavy, where I need to use 2 hands, but it definitely feels like I'm carrying a weight, like in the gym. Geese up there. See if we can see him flying. There goes a squirrel up in the tree. I think they're above the clouds. Can't see them with the naked eye. Definitely can't see them with the camera. And anyway, whatever. No way! What's this? What the fuck is this? Seriously. What the fuck is this? Yo, this wasn't here before, and if it was, I didn't notice it. And looks like a, I don't even know what to say, like a shallow grave, getting ready to bury something inside of it. And anyway, there's a footprint right there. Someone was standing right next to it. Hold on, this is weird. Hold on. Take my glove off so I can zoom in here. This is outrageous here. Hold on. This just made the whole video. Make it brighter so I can see what I'm looking at. Okay. Yo, that is freshly dug. Now look at that. That's print. Boot print. Was a man digging this? And why? Maybe I'm gonna go extra with this one. If you believe in Pet Cemetery movie, Stephen King's Pet Cemetery mythology movie. Maybe somebody's dog is about to die and they think that they should bury it right here. I mean, anyone could have a, what's it called, foldable shovel that could fit to the size from the bottom of the phone to about a foot. Fold that up 3 times and you got an actual shovel. And then now, to be extra, like, this is weird as hell, to be honest. And there's dog print too. Where was that dog print I saw? Well, it's there somewhere. I swear I've seen dog print. Try not to put my boot print on here, but this is outrageous. I don't know. I don't think this was here before. Can't be certain though. And anyway though, that's all I know pretty much. Can't be for certain if that was there or not. And whoever did it is literally right there next to the trail. This is the trail. That's the little mound where the snow was at. And look at, I'll show you. This is the path that I zooted down on the snowboard and made airtime. So anyway. Oh, wow. I don't know what to say right here. I'm not gonna put my boot print next to it too much, but it's deep. It's almost a 2 feet deep hole. Just deep enough to bury a dog or a cat or something. I don't know. All I know is that might as well take a look here. Now, I'm not gonna go extra, but those boots, they want to look like, to me, they look like a boot called Red Setter. Red Wagon Boot Company. Now, I can't be for certain on that. The only reason I know that is because I almost bought those boots and I looked at the bottom and I did mine looking at how they look and feel. I almost bought those boots. Hold on. There's a deer track right there. So they came over and take a look at whatever's going on right here. Well, this is breaking news, kind of, in the sense of me being the videographer slash bipedal humanoid field biology researcher, mimic field worker, or creature field worker, whatever you want to call me, where I'm doing their bidding, slightly picking up their trash right now, bringing them gifts so they stay up in the woods. Look at this. That wasn't here before. Something shiny. Put that right there. I remember that because I remember sitting right here debating on how I was going to hit that jump when there was snow over top of it when I was snowboarding. Anyway, I know there's a dumpster over here. What I'm going to do here, I don't know if you can see me do it or not, but I'll try to have you see me do it and tie it up. There we go. I don't know if you saw me tie it up, but now it's tied. Dumpster way over there. Can't see it on film right from this angle, but it's a good walk, 5-minute walk. This is a big, maybe 50 pounds. It's at least 35, 40 pounds. These Menards tote bags, these big bags, they can hold stuff. Literally. Without flaw.